welcome back to my channel. As requested by probably just me, I did stop in Michael's craft stores to see what they had for Easter decorations for 2025. A lot of the Easter decor was like 40% off, some of it was 50% off, but almost all of it was on sale of some sort. I did stop at two locations. This first location, the shelves were a little bit empty. I don't know if they just haven't stocked it all yet, or if it just, maybe they didn't get a lot in this year, I'm not sure. But the second location did have a lot more stuff for Easter. I love those yellow chicks. Those are very tempting, but I have no room for them. Here are just some Easter basket filler ideas. I think they were all under like $5. Some slime or this weird bracelet thing, along with some rubber ducks and some hair accessories. Michael's always has good wreath selections. I always try and maybe get ideas from them just to recreate them from, of course, Dollar Tree products or anything cheaper, but they always have good ideas, along with everything in the wooden and ceramic craft section. I was looking at a few things that I will probably maybe come back when the season's over and they might be on clearance. If you are seeing this video for the first time, I have done other walkthroughs from Dollar Tree, what they had for their Easter decor, and also Hobby Lobby, what they had for Easter decor, but feel free to subscribe below to keep up with all of the walkthroughs I do for different seasons and any of the craft ideas that I find from products from these stores. I would really appreciate it, as I am very close to 1,000 subscribers. After the Easter decor, I did notice all of these $10 mystery boxes. I did end up getting one, and I opened it at the end of this video to see what I would have gotten inside. If you've gotten one before, please leave in the comments maybe 1 out of 10, kind of like how great it was or how terrible it was. I'll give you my review when I'm done opening it, but we'll see what happens. After the Easter section, I moved to see what Michael's had for just their normal spring inside decor. All of these random items with different color themes. It's cute. Everything seems to be disco. They're just disco balling every item they can, from bunny rabbits to T-Rexes. I've seen it all. We even have a disco ball cowboy hat. Really, they will put those disco studs on any and everything. I did end up purchasing that darling pillow. It's kind of an inside joke I had with my mom. I always call her darling, so I did end up grabbing that. It did look like they had all of their spring flowers in, from picks to garland strands to these stems, all on sale. So for anyone who is a spring bride or a summer bride, they do have some really great, fun, and vibrant colors if you needed them for any of your weddings or parties. I did end up purchasing this bundle of flower accents just for maybe an Easter wreath or Easter craft.
Show me the love. Show me the love. Show me the love. Come show me the love. Show me the love. Show me the love.
And now I am back home going to open up this $10 mystery box from Michael's Craft Store. I can only assume it's gonna have either like old Christmas clearance or maybe some Valentine's clearance thrown in, but we'll see. Hopefully it's good stuff. Hopefully it amounts to at least $10. There's a lot of red in this box, which, again, Christmas or Valentine's Day. Let's see. First, we have some red foam crafting paper sheets. Always handy. No complaining over here. Next, we have this kind of looks like dead flowers, just one stem. I think it was on clearance for like $5. Next, we have 1, 2, 3 of these white snowflake picks. Some green beaded garland. Could be used for Christmas or even maybe St. Patrick's Day. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of these red twirly picks that can be used for crafting for wreaths or garland. A Noel sign that I will use probably next year for Christmas. This silver Santa decor, not really in my realm of decorating, but it is what it is. A ornament tray that I think I can do something with next year for crafting. Some Christmas hooks, always handy. Two, 3 of these gold and silver, maybe like tinsel garland. Kind of looks like maybe a New Year's thing, New Year's party. I was trying to untangle them and it wasn't working. I gave up. Next is a Kids Craft, a Santa's mailbox countdown kit. And then another Santa countdown kit. You just use a dry erase marker on it. A clear ornament bulb. Some frosted pine cones. Oh, another one of these silver Christmas things. Not a fan of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these Christmas picks. I think this is already more exceeds $10. I'm not complaining about all these picks. 2 more clear ornaments. 1, 2, 3, 4 more Christmas hooks. Maybe they had a lot and they wanted to give me 5. I will never need another one. A random black ornament bulb. A small Christmas tree. I think this was like originally like $12 to $15. It's cute. And lastly was 80 feet of this candy cane ribbon. Again, well worth the $10 box. I'm sure this retails for a lot more than $10. I cannot complain. And the box is empty. Let me know if you guys have done one of these Michael's mystery boxes and kind of what you would rate it. I would give this maybe, I don't know, it's my first time, maybe an 8. It wasn't terrible. I will probably use all of this stuff except for those, maybe, I don't know, I don't like those silver Santa things, but maybe I can repaint them or we'll figure something out next year for them. But all in all, it was fun to do. It was very surprising. I don't know if they do them for like the end of every season. Again, if you've done this before and seen them before, please let me know in the comments. But I will see you guys next week.